All right, it is absolutely crock pot season, and if you're going to make one thing in your crock pot right now, I recommend a Mississippi pot roast. This special pot roast recipe calls for 3 to 4 pounds of chuck roast, followed by 1 packet of au jus gravy, 1 packet of ranch seasoning. Stick with me here, I promise you it is worth it. We're going to then pop in about 8 ounces or so of banana pepper rings, along with a little bit of that brine, 1/4 cup of butter. Set the heat to low, cook it for about 8 hours. Find something fun to do. About halfway through, come back, add in some baby red potatoes, and once your meat is absolutely falling apart and totally tender, plate this up next to some rice or some noodles. Get some nice chunks of beef, a few of those nice creamy potatoes. You got to garnish it with some parsley and a few more banana peppers. And then look at this, guys. I'm telling you, this meat just absolutely shreds apart. It is super flavorful from those banana peppers and that ranch seasoning. Those potatoes are creamy, super delightful, comforting bite. Thanks so much for watching. Now go make this, or at least go make something delicious.